Alright everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Bandit 32 level from the Bandit CTF game over at overthewire.org, and let's talk a little bit more about this. So the level goal says, after all this Git stuff, it's time for another escape. Good luck. So we're going to be doing some shell escape in this level. Alright, so we've logged into the level, and we see here that it says, welcome to uppercase shell. So the problem with this shell is that in Linux, all commands are in lowercase, but the shell is translating everything that we input into uppercase. And when we're dealing with Linux, case really matters, so we can't run any of our commands inside of this shell. So what we have to do is we have to do a shell escape to access the rest of the level. Let's talk a little bit more about this. So in Bandit level number 32, we're doing a shell escape. So we need to find some way to escape the shell, but we also can't use any alphanumeric any letters in our command. So this level features a restricted shell, which is a common type of challenge in CTFs. This shell appears to use the sh shell, but it transforms all alphabetic input into uppercase, which messes up all the commands with alphabetic elements. So we can't use any letters in our commands to escape the shell. Fortunately, there's one interesting escape that we can do that doesn't involve any letters at all. So in this case, we can use this command over here. It's $0, and this command is going to open up a new shell. So it uses no letters, so it can be used to get out of this restricted shell. So we go over here, we do $0, and that starts up a new shell. If we ask who am I, our shell is normal now, and we're using the Bandit 33 user. So the only thing we need to do is we need to access, I think we can bash. Yay, we can use bash. So the only thing we need to do now is we need to access the password. So the password for all of these levels is in the etc bandit pass directory. So we just need to do this. So we just need to run cat on bandit pass on the Bandit 33 password, like this. So this is the password for the next level. So with that, we've finished all of the Bandit challenges. So Agent 57 says, so why does this create a new shell? So apparently on any Linux terminal, you can use this command. So I've got Kali Linux here. We do %0, and that starts up a new terminal. So who am I? Let's start up a sh shell. So here's an sh shell. So inside the sh shell, we can do $0 to spawn a new shell. That was a guided walkthrough for the Bandit 32 level from overthewire.org. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out!
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.